Welcome to MicroMechanism Secrets. Today, we're going inside a micro gearbox to see how tiny gears create powerful, precise motion. If you love clean, simple engineering explanations, this video is for you. A micro gearbox is a miniature power control mechanism used to reduce speed and increase torque. Even though it's extremely small, it works just like full-size industrial gear systems. You'll find micro gearboxes inside, electric screwdrivers, smart door locks, miniature robots, and camera lens systems. They are small, but incredibly powerful. Let's break down the internal structure of a micro gearbox. Inside, you will usually find four core components. 1. Input shaft. This receives rotation from the motor. 2. Planetary gears, tiny gears that multiply torque. 3. Ring gear, the outer gear that holds the system together. 4. Output shaft. The final slow, powerful rotation is delivered here. Even at miniature scale, all these parts work in perfect synchronization. The most important concept in a micro gearbox is the gear ratio. For example, if the input shaft spins 10 times while the output spins only once, the torque increases by 10 times. This is how a tiny electric motor, which is normally very weak, becomes powerful enough to move tools, locks, and robotic joints. The efficiency of micro gearboxes comes from smart engineering. Black medium small square low friction surfaces. Black medium small square perfect tooth geometry. Black medium small square micro optimized lubrication. Black medium small square balanced planetary motion. These features make them silent, powerful, and long-lasting. That's why robotic and automation systems rely on these miniature gear mechanisms. You will find micro gearboxes in many everyday tools and devices. Smart home gadgets, automatic locking systems, medical micro machines, camera zoom units, compact electric tools. People use these devices every day, yet never see the tiny mechanism working inside. If you enjoy exploring hidden engineering and micro mechanisms, make sure to subscribe. In the next video, we'll break down another fascinating tiny mechanism. Thanks for watching.